Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I'm taking you on a tour of IKEA to see what's new for April 2021. So that was everything that I could find in IKEA that was new. I also wanted to share with you guys what I picked up. It wasn't much, it was literally just these rubber gloves that I saw that were new. They had them in this mint green and also pink, and they were only £1 and I needed some new ones. Then for our Pax wardrobe, I picked up another shelf for extra storage. But the thing I wanted to share with you guys is these little plugs that fill in all the extra holes in the wardrobe that you don't need. I discovered that these are actually stored in the kitchen section in IKEA. They're actually for the kitchen cupboards. So if you can't find them within the pack systems in the shop, then definitely go and look in the kitchen section, you know, where they design all the kitchens. They have them in white and black if you do need some extra packs. And I also have a whole video about the PAX wardrobe system. If you want to know more about this, I break everything down and like the pros and cons and things like that. So I will link that video down below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. And I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.